here with the guys with Mobile Tech RX, just chatting with them a little bit about their software. I'm going to have them talk about it, and go ahead, guys.
Oh yeah, we've
What's
got
new?
exciting news over the last few months. I'll let John dig into the product side, but a few months ago, we were actually one of the first recon software companies to close venture backing. We've got a venture capital firm who invested in us to help us grow, build new products like.
So we're moving into detail now and interior packages. So those of you that are doing detail alongside of your paintless dent repair or any of the other services, you can now put those details right into the Mobile Tech RX app. You have the ability to do your interior repair through Mobile Tech RX. And the first of its kind in any form of software is a new analytics feature that allows you to pull the data from your company like never seen before anywhere into that. We partnered in. That analytics program is absolutely mind-boggling, the data you can pull out of your company.
The great thing about our products, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial. You get the whole product for 30 days, absolutely free, no credit card. So detailers, we've got a lot of work to do in the product. It's a soft launch, but we're giving you access to it. So go to mobiletechrx.com, try it out, give it a shot, let us know what you think. Next year, we're going to be rolling it out on a large scale, so be one of the first to have it so you can beat your competition today.
Well, I appreciate you guys chatting with me a little bit about it, and you know, it's always good to chat with some
Always
friends.
great seeing you, Jack.
Man, you guys have a good rest of your day. Visit mobiletechrx.com to sign up for your free 30-day trial.